What's up, everybody? Will back, Will Shop Day, and I'm doing a video. I got a customer. He was complaining of a leak every couple days. We're gonna check it, find it, fix it. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be a plug, but first thing you want to do is put the right amount of air in the tire. These are around 40 psi. At 20, so it definitely has a problem in it. Fill it up to 40 real quick. Alright, we're going to check that off. Check the entire tire for leaks. See my previous videos, y'all know that we start with the valve stem and the sensor. Just make sure nothing there. We go about checking around the rim and the sidewall. This is just soap and water. It's cold outside, you probably want some hot water. Makes it a little easier to find the leaks. Helps it show a little bit quicker. And we have nothing around the rim. This is a good thing. Now we're going to check the tread. Put that way. Check the tread of the tire. How's the video looking? Ah, I think we found it. See that right there? Bubbling up. We got a nail in it. But we're going to continue to check the rest of the tire because there could be multiple things in the tire. I always want to check the entire tire anyway. But since that nail is dead center in the middle of the tread, it is easily pluggable. It's not here on the sidewall or here anywhere where it's in danger. So we're probably going to plug that tire as long as that's the only thing. Let me finish checking this one. And check the back side real quick. Make sure we don't have any cracks in the rim, anything like that. Anything leaking backside, and I'm pretty confident that we don't. So this is going to be a tire plug video. As you can see, it's leaking right there. Pretty easy to see. That's with just soap and water. So what you're going to need a rimming tool to remove the nail with or push it through. You're going to need a plugger with a plug. I have a pack of plugs there. You're going to need something to cut it with, which I am using a straight razor, straight blade, and you're going to need some rubber cement to lubricate the plug to make it go in a little easier. See if we can get this out real quick. Try to do it that way. Oh yeah, there we go. Got it. Screw. There we go. Pop that out. A little itty bitty screw. Oh, it's just the head, it broke off. So we're gonna take that out, clear this hole. Pretty easy. 1 second, I'm gonna grab rubber cement. Take our plug. Rubber cement. Not a whole bunch. Take it and plug the hole and twist as we go in. Yeah, sometimes they're a little hard, especially when it's cold, but there you go. Push slow, twist. You want about that much left, a little bit of the plug out, and then you're going to twist and pull out. So get a good grip, twist and pull out. We're going to check it before we cut it. No leaks. We're going to cut it. You can use side cutters or whatever you want. This is what I have around, and I like it, so that's what I'm using. Plus it makes it pretty smooth. hard time. Don't cut yourself. Just like that. Nice and smooth. We're gonna spray a little water to check it. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna put the air where it goes. And we're gonna reinstall. That's pretty much how you plug a tire. Common problem, you pick up nails any and everywhere at any given time. So if your tire is leaking every couple days, once a week, definitely take it off, spray it with some soap and water, find out where your leak's coming from. This is the tire plug video. If you don't mind, you might grab it and follow me while I put it on. How about that? Yeah, just grab it from the base and bring it with me.
Yep.
Yep. I mean, you can hold it from here on out if you like.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna put it back on. Check the air. The air is correct at 40 where it should be. Gonna put it on. Flush. Remember, always thread them by hand. A couple turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you don't strip them or misthread them. I see a lot of people do that. Put these on. Tighten them down in a star pattern. And let the car down. We're all done. I appreciate my cameraman today. So we're going to go on the star camera. Up. Down. Side. Side. And now we're going to do it one more time. Good. 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 Now if you were doing it at home, you would let the car down, just touching the ground, just like kind of like that, not all the way down. You would tighten them down and torque them down to 100 foot-pounds. And we're all done. Appreciate you all. It's Will Shop Dayton. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.